Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And welcome to today's try-on haul. Now, before we get into the try-on haul, I need to make sure that you girls are keeping me in the algorithm. I need you to subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything that I'm bringing to you. Thumbs up the video. Leave me a comment because I need the engagement so that we can be in the algorithm. I can reach many more of you girls, you fashion girls that love try-on hauls. Most importantly, share. Share this video with all of your family, your friends, whomever your fashion girls are. I need you to share this video. Now, let's get into it. I'm back with another Fashion Nova haul. I told y'all I fell victim to being a Nova babe all over again. While the boutique is on hiatus, I am the boutique baddie of the Boutique by Ursula first. But I am also a fashion enthusiast. I love fashion, so that's why I'm bringing these try-on hauls to you. In today's try-on haul, it's only dresses. It's not that long, not that many. I think I have like 5 dresses. Now, I have been on the hunt for A-line type dresses for church. That's what I had in mind when I was purchasing these. But of course, you can wear them wherever you want. Now, I do have one bodycon. If you don't know, bodycon dresses are my favorite. I'm getting a little bit older and I'm realizing, you know what? Everything don't have to be form-fitting. Some things can be nice, loose, and flowy, which led me to start being on the hunt for A-line dresses. Let's get into this first one. Now, I know y'all probably looking like, oh my God, what does she have on? She has potential. She's definitely a fall dress. She has these slits on the sides. Now, you have multiple ways you can wear this dress. And I may, you know what? I may just do a video showing you several ways on how you can wear this shirt dress. If you want me to do a separate video like how I did the 4 ways to style the awake mode circle top, if you haven't watched that video, I need you to check it out. If you think I should do that same style video with this, let me know in the comments, okay? She's buttoned down. She runs big. This is a size medium. This is the back. And just to show you how she has potential, let me just show you just one quick thing right here, a belt. See right now, she just looks big, frumpy, and it's looking like, girl, what do you have on? But just cinch the waist in. Now, just that quick, you see? I told you she has potential. She is super cute to me. I will have the links to each one of these dresses in the description box. And this video is not sponsored. I purchased each one of these pieces on my own. Next up is this really cute maxi dress, belted maxi dress. It did come with this belt. It came with those 2 little strings on the side, but honey, I popped this one, so I just went on and cut those off. Button down. Now, she has a little peekaboo here that I would, before I wear her, I have to pin it right here. Look, y'all, she is so cute. I just love these sleeves. These sleeves has elastic around the bottom, kind of giving them your butterfly looking sleeve. Super cute. I don't have on any foundation under any of these dresses. I just didn't feel like doing all that today. But whenever I wear her, I always wear my foundation. And if you don't know what the foundation is, that's shapewear. I always wear shapewear underneath my clothes. It doesn't matter what I wear. So if you see something peeking out and it doesn't look smooth, that's why I don't have on any foundation. But this dress has a lining. I just love how she flares, y'all. This dress is everything that I have been looking for. This was definitely one for church. Now, she can be worn anywhere, but I'm starting with church. That'll be the first place, and then wherever else I feel like wearing her. She is a size extra large, and I purposely ordered an extra large because I wanted to make sure she was loose and fitting and flowing. And of course, I read the reviews, and with all of that information, I ordered an extra large, and I'm glad I did because This area here, like she does have a little stretch and give, but I'm glad I did order an extra large. Here's another Aline dress for church. Remember, these dresses will make it to the house of the Lord first. She has 4 buttons going all the way down to this split. And when I say 4 buttons, I mean fake. They're just here. They're not serving any type of purpose. This is a loose, flowy Aline dress. She comes with this belt. This belt is not really a good belt. And I don't know if it's just because of me and my body. I will not wear this belt when I actually wear this dress, because look, do you see how this belt is folding and doing everything? It's not a thick bind, you know, it doesn't have any type of structure to just keep it straight. She is a size large. I ordered a size large because I specifically remember reading the reviews and seeing several people say that this dress ran big. And that's it. That's it, that's all. Next up is this super cute fun. She's not Aline, but she is a cutie, honey. See how she's made? I love everything about this dress. Now, she is one of those, she's satin. I was about to say something else, but she is a satin material. This is a size extra large. I know with something being satin, it has no spandex, but I love the way it fits. It buttons all the way down. This is hooked to the dress. I love that. And you see how she's made here, how it's like the gathering here. I love that because it can kind of camouflage this midsection. It pulls up in the middle. See, it buttons all the way down, but it pulls up in the middle and it hangs kind of like a high-low thing. You see how it hangs low in the back, but it's a little bit higher in the front? Super cute. Like, she is, I love this dress. And I will wear her to church, but I may wear her somewhere else first, because this is one of those, she's a fun type dress. She's just a nice, fun, girly dress. There isn't anything else to say. We have come to the last look of the day. This is the bodycon dress I was telling y'all about. Isn't she cute? I absolutely love this dress, and she feels and fit like a glove, okay? She is sweater material, so I don't think I would wear her like before the fall, possibly. I don't know. It just depends on where I'm going and what I'm doing. This zebra print. This is the back. And remember, I don't have on any foundation. She has me looking a little smooth, not a lot, but a little bit smooth. So when I put that shaper on underneath, oh, whoo, baby, you can't tell me nothing. She's my favorite bodycon midi style. And midi just means it goes past your knee and it's above your ankle. So it's like right there in the middle. That's why it's called a midi. She is full of stretch. Absolutely great stretch. And she comes in an olive color as well. But honey, I love this dress. So girl, if you have made it to this portion of the video, I want to thank you for tuning in. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for coming to this try-on haul today. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Click your notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. I don't want you to miss any of my uploads. Share the video because sharing means caring. Even though my lips are pink, let's leave some red lips in the comments so I'll know that you watched the entire video, all right? Don't forget to check the description box for the links. I will try my hardest to link each one. And if it's not available, remember, put your email in there with your size and sign up so that they can notify you when your size is back in stock. And girl, I will see you in the next one. Same place, same channel. Adios.